We often forget about air. It's invisible. We can't see it. Yet it's all around us, filling every space, every nook and cranny. We breathe it in and out without even thinking. It's so fundamental to our existence that we rarely stop to appreciate it. But we can't live without it. Every breath we take is a reminder of its importance. Imagine holding your breath for just a few seconds. The urgency to inhale is immediate and powerful. Air is a powerful force. It surrounds our planet, creating a protective blanket that shields us from the harshness of space. This thin layer of gases is what makes Earth unique in our solar system, and it makes life on Earth possible. From the tiniest microorganisms to the largest mammals, every living being depends on air. Air is essential for all living things. It provides the oxygen that animals and humans need to survive and the carbon dioxide that plants require for photosynthesis. Humans need air to breathe. Every cell in our body relies on oxygen to function properly. Without it, our organs would fail and life would cease. Animals need air to breathe. From the depths of the oceans to the highest mountains, air is a constant companion for all creatures. Even plants need air to live. They take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen, creating a balanced cycle that sustains life on Earth. Without air, life as we know it would not exist. The barren landscapes of other planets and the lifeless surface of the moon remind us of how special our atmosphere is. Let's explore why air is so important for our survival. From the air we breathe to the weather patterns it creates, air is an invisible force that shapes our world in countless ways. Air might seem like nothing, an invisible blanket that surrounds us. But it's actually a complex mixture of different gases, each with its own unique properties and roles. The most important gases in air are nitrogen and oxygen. Nitrogen makes up about 78% of the air, while oxygen accounts for around 21%. Oxygen is what we need to breathe. It fuels our cells and powers our bodies, giving us the energy to move, think, and live. When we exercise or play, our bodies demand more oxygen to keep up with the increased activity. Nitrogen, although it doesn't directly support life, plays a crucial role in stabilizing the air and diluting oxygen to safe levels. Air also contains small amounts of other gases. These include carbon dioxide, argon, and water vapor, each contributing to the delicate balance of our atmosphere. Carbon dioxide, though present in tiny amounts, is vital for plants during photosynthesis, helping them produce the oxygen we breathe. Each gas in the air plays a specific role. Argon, for instance, is inert and helps in preserving the stability of the atmosphere. Together, these gases create the perfect balance for life on Earth, supporting diverse ecosystems and weather patterns that sustain all living beings. Every time we breathe, we take in oxygen from the air. Our lungs absorb this oxygen, then our bodies use it to create energy. This process is called respiration. It's how we stay alive. Animals also breathe in oxygen. They have different ways of breathing. Fish use gills to breathe underwater. Insects have tiny holes called spiracles. These holes allow air to enter their bodies. Breathing is a fundamental process for all living creatures. Air is not just important for breathing, it also plays a huge role in our planet's weather and climate. Air can move around the Earth, and this movement creates wind. Wind helps to distribute heat and moisture. Air also protects us from harmful radiation from the sun. The ozone layer, a special part of our atmosphere, absorbs most of the sun's harmful ultraviolet rays. This protection is crucial for life on Earth. Unfortunately, human activities are polluting our air. Every day we contribute to this problem through various means. Pollution comes from cars, factories, and even our homes. The exhaust from vehicles, the emissions from industrial plants, and the smoke from residential chimneys all add to the growing issue of air pollution. Air pollution is harmful to our health. It can cause respiratory problems, aggravate asthma, and even lead to serious conditions like heart disease and lung cancer. Vulnerable groups, such as children and the elderly, are particularly at risk. It also affects the environment. Pollutants can damage ecosystems, harm wildlife, and contribute to climate change. The air we pollute doesn't just stay in one place, it travels and impacts distant regions. We need to take care of our air. By monitoring air quality and taking proactive steps, we can make a significant difference. We can choose cleaner forms of transportation. Opting for bicycles, electric vehicles, or public transport reduces the number of pollutants released into the atmosphere. We can reduce our energy consumption. Using energy-efficient appliances, switching to renewable energy sources like solar and wind, and being mindful of our daily energy use can all help. And we can support policies that promote clean air. Advocating for stricter regulations on emissions and supporting initiatives aimed at reducing pollution are crucial steps. By working together, we can protect the air we breathe. Community efforts such as clean-up events and tree planting activities play a vital role in improving air quality. We can ensure a healthy future for ourselves and our planet. By taking action now, we can create a cleaner, healthier environment for generations to come.